was using the Kylie, the burgundy palette and the bronze palette. So yeah, let's just jump right into it, shall we? So the very first color that I'm going to be going in with is Obsidian. No, it's Goldstone from the bronze palette. So Goldstone is this color here. Is this Goldstone? Yeah, Goldstone right here. Yeah, Goldstone. And I'm going to put that in my crease. Now prior to this, you see how I blended out my brows? I blended it out with this brush, because the foundation I'm going to cover it anyway, and not to put whatever's on the brush, I just on my eyes as a little primer. So Goldstone is on there, going on the other side with Goldstone. Goldstone again. I'm using my BH Cosmetics fluffy brush. Then I'm going to be going in with Topaz. No, it can't be Topaz. It has to be Topaz. Topaz Jasper. I think this color here. I really think this is Jasper. This color here. So I use this color first. Now I'm going to this color here. And I'm going to put that on my brow bone. Next color I'm using from the bronze palette is this color right here, and I'm going right between the white I just placed and the first color. So I'm going in between those two colors. Then I'm going with the same brush I used to my brow bone. I'm just pulling down because I'm losing some of the brow bone color. Yeah. So next I'm going to be going in with the burgundy palette. Love this palette. And I'm actually going to be taking, where is it? So this is the brush that I used to do my brows to like get them all fleeky fat. So I'm going to be using what is on the brush as a base. So not much is on the brush, so I'm just going to pick up from my Shades by Gal medium neutral palette, medium neutral concealer, and you guys know I love using this as a shadow base. Alright, so that's what we have, and it's wet, so I'm kind of keeping my eyes lifted so that it doesn't touch on my crease. So I'm going to be using this flat brush, and I'm going to be going in with, I hope this is LA. I'm going to go in with this color here, and that's going to be going on my lid. Alright, so that's all over my lid. So I'm going to be going in with a smaller brush, and I'm going to be taking, what is it called, the almond, this color here, going on the outside, almond again on the outside. Alright guys, so I'm going to be going with this dark brown color, and I'm going to be putting that in my crease. Now the aim of this look was to use both palettes, as I said in the beginning, just as how you'd have like an array of colors like with the BH Cosmetics palettes and stuff. You have a lot of colors. That's the idea I had for this look going in. Just wanted to use both Kylie palettes to achieve one look. It's completely unnecessary, I know this, but it's what I wanted to do. So at first I started on the outside, kind of swirling it in on my outer V. Now I'm patting it in and bringing the color to the middle of my eye, to the middle of my crease there. And I'm blowing off again because I tell you that these colors, the flake Flake is the word? Yeah, flake. Let's use flake. It's not flake, but you know what I mean. Fallout. That's the word. We get a lot of fallout whenever we take the color up. So now I'm using the black. I think this color is called Obsidian. So I'm using the black and I'm just patting it in my outer V area. Now the reason I'm patting it is because I want to place the color. And I'm using a fluffy brush because I want the color to be blown out. If I wanted it to be in a specific area, I would have gotten a stiffer, smaller brush or a pencil brush and to get it in one small area, but I wanted this the black to be a bit blown out on the outside, get it on the outer V. So that's why I use the fluffy brush to apply the black. So then I'm going in with this color, and I like to use these colors as like transitional colors or colors to kind of warm up the look or to kind of like, yeah, transition to fuse two colors together. So right here I'm going in between the brow bone color as well as the black that I just placed, and what I'm doing is I'm blending out the edge of the black so it's a bit more blown out while adding color to the end. Instead of it just being a stark black, you have a little bit of orange in there. And then I'm going over with the red because I want this look to be extremely warm, and I really love this the new palette that she has. I think it's called the Burgundy palette. Oh my goodness, this is the best one yet. This Burgundy palette, I think it's absolutely amazing for women of color. So I'm going in back with the black. I notice the brush that I'm using now is almost like a pencil brush. It's a stiff dome brush, and this time I'm actually placing the color right in my outer V, in my outer crease area. So that's what I mean by so this is how you can use different brushes to achieve different looks. Yeah, so I'm just placing it right in the in my crease, getting my BH Cosmetics fluffy brush, and whatever product is on the brush, I'm just kind of blending out the edges. Everything needs to be blended, needs to look seamless. I mean, you can never blend it too much. If you hear that, oh, you're blending too much, that is a lie. It's impossible. I mean, you can blend some colors away and then you have to put them back, but you can't blend it too much. And what I do to one, I do to the other one. But notice again, I'm kind of pinching the bristles of this brush because it was going up into the other color too much. So I had to pinch it and focus it on where I want it to blend out. So then I'm going to take the burgundy color here. Burgundy, it's called brick, I believe. No. Oh, I can't remember. But that color, and I'm going on my lid. I'm going right under the black because when I placed the black, it went on my lid and I didn't want the color on my lid. I just want the straight burgundy to be on my lid with no other color. Sorry guys. Then I'm going in with, I think this is called the Dubai, this gold color. Love this. I need to do a look with this gold color. So I'm just placing Dubai right there just to add a little bit of pizzazz, a little bit of pumpily humpily, a little bit of pizzazz to that area of my eyes. Just bring it to color because it was looking a little bit too dark. Why am I speaking so fast? Alright, so foundation is on, contoured to the gods. So I'm taking that burgundy color and I'm putting it underneath the black eyeliner. So I put the black eyeliner on my waterline as well as my lash line. And I'm taking this eyeshadow color and I'm putting it underneath my lash line. So that there's a gradient moving from dark to red. You see that gradient? I love it so much. I mean, my eye shape can't really take it because the creases and all that crap. But I love doing it. Going back in with the gold, I think this is Dubai, I'm not quite sure. And to just pump it up a little bit more there, because sometimes when you're blending and working with other colors, the color that you placed previously, you know, gets, what do you call it now? It goes away, it leaves. Yeah, and I'm putting a little bit on my happy area. I'm going back in with the black eyeliner pencil and I'm applying this on my lash line so that that red comes off more of a darker red than like black and red. You understand? So I'm mixing the black in there with the red. It looks like a darker red than what was there, than the true color red. So I just extended the eyeliner, sorry, to just draw a line right there underneath my happy area. I'm taking LA Girl 40 Watt. This is from Fontana Pharmacy. And I've been using this a lot primarily because I'm trying it out and I have to say I truly love it. I have a review of this coming up, so y'all will see that or you've already seen it. These videos are pre-recorded, so I just hope you either saw it already or something. I don't know, just, you know, I just hope. But yeah, so everywhere where I would normally highlight, that's where I'm placing my 40 watt. Alright, so going back in with another drugstore product. This is my Glam palette from LA Girl. Taking that blush. Listen, you guys are sleeping. Alright, Jonathan. You're sleeping if you do not own this palette already. It is completely underrated. It's so pigmented. I love it. So it's what I use for my glow as well as my blush. A glow, no, just my blush. Then I'm going with this color here, and I'm using it as my you know how I love to put color in that area of my eyes, just because it just looks naked. So that's what I'm doing. Then I'm taking this angled brush, and I'm just taking that color right up under my brow bone to bring some color to that area of my eyes. It's all about adding color, balancing, and just going where I wanted to, where your heart leads you, but just going where your creativity takes you. And that's why I love makeup. It allows me to be extremely creative. I can do whatever I want to do when it comes on to makeup. It's adorable. Next, I'm taking Nude Embrace. I believe this is from Maybelline, but it's either Nude Embrace or 603 Nude Embrace or 605 Nude Embrace. But I have it linked in the description bar for you guys. And this is the brush that I used to do my powder, to set all my powders. And I'm just folding my lips in and just setting around my lips so that it kind of blends it out. And then I'm going in with the Kylie palette, and I'm actually going to be using this color as my lip liner because I couldn't find my red lip liner this day, so I just use this as my lip liner today. Sorry about that, you guys, but yeah, this is the look, you guys. This is the look. I love it absolutely. Thank you so much for watching. I completely appreciate you guys. I'm at 180,000 subscribers. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do, and please share the videos as well. I'll have a playlist linked below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Happy December, guys.